I'm too old for this, pero for you, I'm not. Okay, go ahead, Papa P. Tama naman.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Wow. Kasi it comes with a camo eh. Anyways, it comes with a camo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Anyways, maraming salamat. What's up, Tol? Turtle!
I know everyone's here, Papa P.
Well, we're just so excited because finally the movie's coming out. Nung nagsimula kami ng pelikula, ganito pa lang si Kyle.
I know.
Buti na lang umabot. Akalain mo mas tumangat pa sa akin.
Requirement yata ng pelikulang ito, lahat ang tatangkad, look at them.
Kaya nga ako lumalayo eh.
Ikaw na yung pinakamaliit.
No, but anyways, muntik na makancel yung premiere because of the typhoon and I know we had to consider that. So thank you for taking your time kahit may mga baha, kahit may mga corrupt. Pinasok yung corrupt.
Si Mami involved sa mga comments. Si Mami sitok na, si Mami ano.
Maraming salamat. Napapanood yung pelikula natin not just because it's about what's happening in our country but also within our family, yung relationships ng pamilya natin, father and son specifically. So, maiksi lang yung pelikula but we want to be able to kind of send something to everyone. May mga choices tayo sa buhay natin. So, sana makapag-reflect tayo after ng pelikula. And ipagkalat natin, maganda o pangit, pagkalat natin para panoorin nila yung pelikula kasi maganda yung pelikula.
Of course!
Maniwala kayo sa amin.
Of course!
Maganda talaga, promise. Pero totoo po, nagpapasalamat kami sa MQuest, Cornerstone, because we're backed by groups na naniwala po sa pelikula and hindi naman tayo gagawa ng pelikula kung hindi natin correct para ma-enjoy ng lahat.
You are the busiest actor of 2025?
Yes!
Grabe!